Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for fashion accessories and apparel. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I have a store on IndiaMART for fashion accessories and apparel. Now whenever I receive a new lead or the inquiry, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these inquiries. So I can completely automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect turns on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new inquiry, and then in my action application I am going to take AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send automated messages. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiries for fashion, apparel and accessories. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, you need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for fashion, accessories and apparel. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries, which means whenever I will receive new inquiry, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, which means whenever I will receive new inquiry, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, I can see all these options where I need to click on this lead manager, and then I have to click on this three dots, and then I have to click on this import export leads and then push API. Now I have to select the source, and in this drop down I can see all the sources. I want to select this as other, and as soon as I select that, I have to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So over here my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from over here copy this webhook URL and paste that over here. Now I need to click on the save details. So now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART, and over here I can see all these reasons. Here I want to select I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. If you have any other reason, you can select according to your choice and preference, after which we have to select on this click to generate OTP. Now I should have received OTP on my number, and after entering the OTP, I simply have to click on this submit. So over here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect in my IndiaMART, and now I have to test this webhook URL. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can find this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here or to check the webhook connection, we need to do a test submission, for which we need to open IndiaMART, and over here we have added the webhook URL, and just under this we can see this test your webhook listener URL, and if I click on this, I will be provided a test data by IndiaMART where I will be able to find all the test details, and if I want to check this connection, I simply have to click on this test. Now as soon as I click on this test, all these details and data will be automatically added and received in my Pabbly Connect. And if I receive that, this means my connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART is successful. So now let's click on this test. And here let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received this data there or not. So over here we can see we have successfully received the response. The status is success. Now over here I have received the unique query ID and the subject is requirement for empty mineral water bottle. Here you see this is the test response sent by IndiaMART, but after making the connection in the similar manner, you will start receiving all the inquiries for your business. Now over here, as this is the test data, I have received all the test response. The state is Uttar Pradesh. I have received phone number, alternate phone number, name, mobile, alternate mobile, email address, alternate email address, company name, address, city, and the product name and the query message. Now as I have received all these response, this means the connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART is successful, and now whenever I will receive query in my IndiaMART, it will be automatically added and received in my Pabbly Connect. So now I need to move to my next step, which is I want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these queries. So here in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei. And then in my action event, I am going to take send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter this API key so as to build this connection. So here we have to go to manage section, and then in the API key, I have to click on this generate API key. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API key. So I will open this, and here I am provided with the API key, which I need to copy and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are connected, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to enter this, we need to open our AI Sensei account. So here this is the AI Sensei, and on the left hand side I have to click on this manage, and then I have to click on this all. Here you see all the templates that I have created. So over here I have created this template by the name fashion accessories, and this reads as, hi, thank you for reaching out. I'd be happy to share details about a fashion accessories and apparel. Could you let me know what specific items you are interested in? Once I have that, I can provide pricing and availability. Looking forward to your response. Thanks. Best regards. Now over here I have used a custom variable which will keep changing with the name of the lead. So whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry, this will keep changing with the name of the lead. So now on the left hand side I can see this campaigns option, which I will open, and to create a campaign we have to click on this launch on the top right corner, and over here I need to open this API campaign, and then I have to name this campaign. So let's say the name of my campaign is fashion accessories 1, and then I have to enter the template. So this was my template fashion accessories 1. As you can see, this is the same template that we have created. Now after entering the campaign name and the template, I simply have to click on that set live. Now here I have created a campaign. Now I'll go back, and as you can see, this is the campaign. So I will copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here. Now I need to enter the mobile number. So to enter this, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response in my IndiaMART. So I will simply click on this mobile number field, and then I have to click on this IndiaMART, and then I will enter the mobile number. So here this is my mobile number. I will enter this, and then I have to enter the username. So I will follow the same process and enter the username as this one. Now source and tags are not required fields, so I'm skipping this and then I have to enter the template parameter. So over here it's written enter the parameter values to be filled in template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So as you have seen in my template, we just have one variable over here. So for the template parameter, I just want to enter the name of the lead. So here this is the name. Now if I had any other custom variables, I should have used comma and then entered other values. But as I just have one custom variable over here, I am going to enter that only. Now attributes, URL, file name are not required fields, so I am skipping this. And over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now over here, as this is a dummy phone number, I am going to remove this and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive on my number. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. The result is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this WhatsApp message there or not. And here we can see we have successfully received the message. Hi Prabhat, thank you for reaching out. I'd be happy to share details about fashion accessories and apparel. Could you let me know what specific items you are interested in? Once I have that, I can provide pricing and availability. So this is the same message template that we have created in our AI Sensei, and here you can see this has been replaced with the name of the lead. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test data from IndiaMART and received response in my Pabbly Connect. This means that the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is successful. And then we move to the next step, which is action step, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect of WhatsApp by AI Sensei. We entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number, username, and then template parameter, after which we simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this WhatsApp message being sent to the inquiry. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.